Price Fashions, and we are located 177B Park Street. So today we are going to show you some cutwork sarees. These are all hand painted, some screen prints. So these are all exclusive prints and hand painting, which I am going, as you can see, it's a hand painting with the pallu cutwork. I will show you the closer view first of the cutwork. See, this is all done by hand with mirror ari work, and all over body there is also mirror work. This is the look of the sari. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over. It's a combination of deep green and light green. Just see the shades. It's all over, and all over there is a mirror work, full body mirror work. This is the look of the sari. I'll show how it will come. This is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. See, this is a nice color combination, and it has got the blouse. This is the blouse, and there is a cutwork for sleeves. This is the blouse of the sari. Sari number 1, the price of this sari 6,500. This is the sari number 2. It's also a hand painting, as you can see. This is a pallu. There is a cutwork. There is a cutwork on the pallu. It's all mirror work. It's all done by hand. So I'll show how it will come. This is the all over body, all over same hand painting, and see the pallu. It's a very elegant and nice color combination. You can see the shades of this. This is all over same, and it has got the pallu with cutwork. I'll show how it will come. So please subscribe our YouTube channel, and we have a Facebook page also in the name of Price Fashions. This is the look of the sari. The price of the sarees are 6,500. These are all cutwork which I am showing today. These are all 6,500 range, and COD facility is only available in Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank online transfer. This is the sari number 3. As you can see, it's a combination of steel grey and green pallu, achal, and blouse. This is also a cutwork. See the cutwork first. It's all done by hand. This is all hand painting, and it's a skirt part achal. This is the skirt part running throughout the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari. I'll show you the color combination. See the shades of brown and shades of rani and panachal green. This is the look of the sari. I'll show how it will look when you drape, how it will look. This is the look of the sari, and this is the pallu. It's a very nice color combination, and there is a blouse with cutwork. This is the cutwork blouse for sleeves. Again, it's the same pattern. It's a skirt part. It's a combination of peach and grey. I'll show how it will come. So I'll show you the closer view of this painting. This is the hand painting. It's a skirt part, and this is one of our hit designs. We have done this design in so many combinations. This time peach and grey. See, and all over there is a mirror ari work. As you can see, this is all over mirror ari work, and this is the hand painting. And see this is the pallu. So I'll show how it will look. These are all 6,500 range. All cutwork sarees I am showing today. So please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon whenever we upload the video, so we'll get the notification. So this is the look of the sari. When you drape, this is the look you will get. It's a very nice color combination, peach with grey with pallu cutwork, and it has got the blouse. This is the blouse with with cutwork sleeves. Number 6, and this is a kalamkari print. I'll show. This is the pallu and blouse is contrast, and all over body there is a block. It's a not block. It's a screen print. It's a kalamkari. It's a multicolor. It's again a grey base color and shades of yellow, orange, red. This is all over same print. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and we have done a outline, peacock outline with mirror work or peacock. Just see the peacock design. It's a very demanding sari. This is the look of the sari. I'll show how it will look when it draped. So as I mentioned already, COD facility is only available in Kolkata, and for other states you have to do bank online transfer or Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, we accept. This is the look of the sari, and just see the pallu. It's a very nice looking sari. Pallu and blouse is contrast. Pallu and blouse contrast, and all over body is the same. So this is again a hand painting. See the pallu of the sari. It's a rani pink. Pallu and border and blouse rani pink, and all over body. This is all over body. And every sari has got the mirror work all over. I'll show you the closer view. See the mirror work all over mirror. And this is the pallu of the sari. Just see the pallu. I will show how it will look. This is the look of the sari, and see the pallu. It's a very nice looking sari. 6,500. You can see the pallu cut work, and again this is a skirt design. It's a jet black color. It's a jet black. I show how it will come. This is the pallu. This is the all over mirror work, and then we have given some French knot in between the flower. This is the French knot, and some decorated with the mirror work. It's a very nice. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. I'll show how it will look. This is the look of the sari. And there is a blouse. Cutwork is a combination of indigo blue and rani. See the pallu. It's again the same pattern. Skirt part. The skirt part also will come. And all over body there is a mirror work. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. How it will look. Sure. This is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. This is the pallu. It's a very nice color combination, and it has got the blouse. This is the blouse of the combination of light green base color and the royal blue. So I'll show you how it will come. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the. It's a screen print. It's all over same. I'll show you the color combination, and all over there is a mirror work. See the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and these are all silk mark certified. So best quality tussar we use. This is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari. This is the pallu. On pallu we have given some embroidery work. This the embroidery work on the pallu, and it has got the blouse with sleeves cut work, and this is the look of the saree. It's a royal blue blouse. 6,000. This is the saree number 10. It's the last saree of this episode. So this is the pallu cut work, and this is all. See the color combination. It's a very pretty design. This is all our look. I'll show how it will look. So please take the screenshot if anyone wants to book the saree, and WhatsApp on the given number. It's 8296897264, and the other number is 98300366710. So this is all our look. And this time we have given a different blouse. It's a printed blouse with mirror work. So this is the blouse of the saree. If you like the saree, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp us on the given number. It's on the screen. And please subscribe our YouTube channel as well as Facebook. So we do live on Facebook also. So please go to our Facebook page and follow this. So, and booking procedure is very easy. You can just take the screenshot and WhatsApp on the given number. It's below the screen. So thank you so much for watching.